something vacay friendly. Oh, there you go. So nails are done. So I'm in New Rochelle. If I put my Crocs on, it's a light flex or whatever Nicki Minaj said. In and out.
No basics on.
Hey Stush Gang, welcome or welcome back. So today is actually Tuesday, May 18th, and today's video is going to be a maintenance week in my life before vacation. So as you guys may or may not know, I'm going on vacation at the end of this week. Actually, by the time you guys watch this video, I might already be on vacation. So we'll definitely make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Stush Life to keep up with the festivities. As I mentioned, this video is going to be a maintenance week in my life before vacay. So before we get into today's video, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below. On the road to 6K, we need you to help us get there. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to leave your girl a thumbs up down below, and don't be afraid to drop any questions or comments about anything that occurs in today's video. I'm always around to respond back to you guys. I love chatting with you guys down below in the comments. So first things first, I did my hair yesterday. I actually vlogged some of that in my most recent video. If you guys haven't already watched that, it was a vacay prep vlog part 2. Being that today's video is a maintenance week in my life, of course I have to include that in today's video. So I thought I started this video yesterday. I didn't. Well, I kind of started, but I didn't make the intro. So here we are. So I got my hair done. As you guys can see, I have these knotless triangle box braids in my hair. These are apparently a medium. I feel like these are small, but she said this is the medium size. So my braider came to my house yesterday and braided my hair. The ends are also curly. I'll go ahead and, of course, you know, insert a little video so you guys can see. Can you, yeah, do the lower. Okay, start from where you were and lower it down so you can see the curls.
Okay.
Come on. I used the color 4. I bought 4 packs, but we only ended up using 2.5 packs of the pre-stretch braiding hair number 4. So the hair is done. I really like it. I wanted curly ends, so we got curly ends. I did my baby hairs as well. So hair is technically done and ready for vacation. Tomorrow is Wednesday the 19th. I have a 12 p.m. nail appointment, so you guys are going to come accompany me for that. And I'm also thinking about doing my toes tomorrow if time allots. If not, I'll do it today. I'll just have to see how that works out. But if not, I might do it today. I don't know. We'll see. I guess you guys will see. And I'll see too, because I'm not really sure. But the person that's doing my nails is not doing my toes because she doesn't offer, you know, pedicures. So it's going to be my first time going to the girl tomorrow. But I've seen her work. It looks really nice. Let's just hope everything works out well. And then Thursday is my wax appointment. So lashes. Let's talk about lashes. So initially I didn't think that I was going to do lashes. But then I was like, girl, it's just so much easier when you're on vacation for you to just up and leave the house instead of having to put on the lashes. Even though I could put it on in 2.5, it's just a lot easier. So I hit up my lash girl that did my lashes in March for my Jamaica trip, but she's been booked since like May started, girl. So I knew that everything was booked up. I also checked out Kendra's lash tech. She's booked up, and I was checking like from 2 weeks in advance, and both of these girls were booked. I even checked the girl that my friend is going to. She's all booked up, and your girl is not trying to travel to like Long Island and all these other far places to do her lashes. So I reached out to the girl again that did my lashes. I asked her, I told her if anything frees up between today and Thursday, let me know. I'll try to make it. I can get my lashes done. If not, y'all just gonna be seeing mascara Stush or Caprial NYC Stush. So yeah, we'll see. I thought about bringing a pair of my lashes to like the regular nail salon and having them use that glue that they use and just do a strip lash moment, but I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, as I mentioned, hair is done, so I'll check in with you guys probably tomorrow when it's time for us to do it. Good morning, good morning. It is currently Wednesday, May 19th. I think it's the 19th. If I'm incorrect, I'll put the date up on the screen. But I'm in the kitchen about to make some tea, even though it's like 77 degrees outside, y'all. Literally like 77 degrees. But I'm about to make some tea and head out. My nail appointment is at 12. So even though it's 10:30, I have to get to the place, which is like 20 minutes away, find parking. She said it's usually hard to find parking, so I'm giving myself 30 minutes to find parking, because after 10 minutes your appointment is canceled, and we don't want that. We need our nails done. So Let me make my ginger tea real quick, my mango ginger yogi tea, and let's head out the house. Oh, real quick, today I'm wearing, I'll go ahead and insert a little clip, but I'm wearing this white tank from Target. It feels so good. And I'm wearing my tear shorts, and I'm wearing my white Crocs, and my bag is from Zara. One of my favorite bags. I got it maybe like 4 or 5 years ago, girl, and I'll stay wearing it. And my bag has a ton of pins on it too. 1, it's hot as hell. 2, I got some Krispy Kreme donuts, and I got some tea. I packed 2 tangerines to eat. I just had to bring my mom to the store real quick to get some diet ginger ale for my dad. But I packed 2 tangerines, and I had one. The other one wasn't really tasting all that great, so I just threw it out. So donuts it is. See you guys at the salon. Guess who's happy? Me. I found parking, you guys. Yes. So I'm not gonna lie, I had to drive around like 2 times to find parking. But I'm happy I did. No, I won't be. I'll be too much to go to work and come back today. So yeah, I found parking. Now I need to figure out what I actually want. I kind of have an idea, but I think I'm gonna put something up on Instagram to have some of the gang help me pick out what I want to get. Let me see. So I'm gonna do that, but I don't even really know if I want square nails or if I want like an almond shape. I've been really liking the almond shape though, so maybe I'll do that. I don't know, but I might want something abstract looking. Like, this is fire. I don't know if you guys can see it. Fire, right? Something vacay friendly. This is heat. Oh, there you go. You can see it a lot better now. So I don't know. I'm gonna share some of these with the nail tech and see which one she thinks I should get. But I'm probably gonna do oval. What? Oval shape. So yeah, let me see what IG thinks, and I'll probably see you guys once I get inside, and I'll show you guys how that looks. Oh, this is so cute. Yes, fire. This is nice. It's real simple, but it will go with like all of your outfits. I like this too. If I put my Crocs on, it's a light flex or whatever Nicki Minaj said. Girl, I don't know what she said. Hey gang, so nails are done. This is what they look like. Honestly, I didn't go with anything that I had in mind, but I definitely knew I wanted some abstract, some swirls. It's giving spring, like kind of integrating into summer. And this is what the thumb looks like. I'll show you this hand as well. They're cute. I'll show you it on my steering wheel so you guys can see it even more. Do you like? Wait, my camera's not focusing. Still not focusing, but y'all can see it. Anything you like, we do for you. I like them, but they're really cute. That's that. So yeah, ended up going to her. Now I'm gonna drive uptown. I'm gonna see if I can do my toes today. If not, I'm going to do them tomorrow. But let's see, because I need to upload Wednesday's video. I still haven't finished editing it yet, and I'm supposed to link with Kendra later on, so I need to get all that stuff done. Hey Stush Gang, a lot is going on outside, please disregard it. I'm linking up with Kendra, so I'm about to start doing my makeup. We're about to just grab drinks and just, you know, enjoy the day. It's like 80 degrees in New York, so we decided to link up. And yeah, let me get ready and I'll check back in. Update, almost ready. Just gotta put on some lashes. Let's see what Kendra's talking about. She's probably ready. I'm finishing up work right now, already dressed in my backpack. Okay, lit. Okay, cool. I'm always an early person, so I feel bad whenever I'm late, but she's almost done, almost finished with working. So let me put on my lashes and I'm gonna show y'all my outfit real quick, and we gonna be out the door. Okay, quick OOTD. Glasses are from Forever 21. Our shades are from Forever 21. Lashes from Caprial NYC. Style Caprial, signature style. Top Zara. Skirt Zara. Bag Zara. Shoes Target. Hey you guys, so I'm in New Rochelle. Updating you guys finally. Let me figure out this tripod. Kendra finally showed me how to extend the tripod. So we're at New Rock Social Bar and Lounge. Yes. So here's Kendra. Say hi. Cute. So we getting drinks. I just got a pineapple margarita. Salt on the rim. It's looking like chilies on the rim as well.
Good.
It actually is really good. It's a little sparkly. It's a little spicy.
What did they put on the rim? Like, what is it?
Salt and chili flakes. It's a little kick in the throat, you know, if you have a little. Kendra got the rum punch. Rum punch is punching? It's punching? Okay, good. 50% off the, or 30% off the entire menu every day, 5 to 8. And today's Wednesday, so there's also a $5 glass of wine and 50% off bottles. So they only have these things to eat. So we're thinking about chicken wings, maybe pot stickers, maybe french fries. Well, she's definitely getting french fries. That's a french fry girl. Morning. It is Thursday, May 20th, and I'm outside. It's 9:42. I'm up before the birds even started chirping, y'all. Nah, I'm joking. The birds been chirping since like 6 a.m. 5 a.m. But I'm up early. I'm outside early because today I'm actually getting my wax, my Brazilian wax. So, sis came last night, right? And I swore sis was coming on the second day of my trip, right? No, she came early. Sis came early. So I wasn't really too happy about that, but it is what it is. Girl, what can you do? Mother Nature has her way all the time. So I did what I had to do so I can get this wax. So I'm gonna get my wax at 10, and then I need to go and get a pedicure because yesterday, as you guys saw, I didn't really have time because I went to link Kendra. So yeah, I didn't really have time, and I needed to edit Wednesday's vlog anyway. So I just said I'll have time after my wax. Let me just do it today. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna reach out to my lash tech. Well, the lash tech that did my eyes, did my lashes when I went to Jamaica, just to see if she has any openings because she was all booked up. Damn near everyone is booked, so I can't. Well, I'm fingers crossed that I can find someone to do my lashes. If not, I'll probably go somewhere regular and have them put on my lash strip. But I don't really want to do that. But it'll spare me the time of, you know, doing my lashes on the trip. So I might just do that, go to one of those places. Back in the day when people used to wear lashes and then they went to those nail shops to get their lashes done, you know, they used to do the 3-piece lashes and just, you know, do your lashes like that. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but hopefully you do. So I might just have them apply my lash strip and just call it a day. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get inside. I might just go in there early because I feel like nobody's probably in there. Let's see. No. Can't see my eyes, child. I need to start using my.
Ooh. You know what's funny? I forgot about that. And I totally forgot about that.
You forgot about the travel restrictions? In and out. She finished, so perfect timing. Now I need to figure out where I'm about to go do my nails. I could go to this one spot. It's kind of early, so I might find parking. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little painful. I'm not gonna lie about that, but it wasn't too bad. So wax complete. Now I need to figure out these toes, girls. Hello. Hi. So I'm at this nail salon, right? I haven't been here in a little while, but I remember why I used to love coming here. It's a plant haven. They also have some other plants on the other side, but look behind me, y'all. But it makes sense because there's a whole plant shop next door, which I will be going back to once I leave here. 45. Yeah. Let me leave them right here, okay? Yeah.
Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to.
little update. I thought sis was doing gel as I told her, but she was doing regular nail polish. So here I am sitting waiting for my toes to dry, but it's fine. Hopefully my nails last. Yeah. While I'm on vacay, but if anything I'll just bring some white polish. It's not that deep. This is so cute. I wanted to show you guys Jackie Chan. I found a plant shop. Going strip lash now. No individuals. So I'll update y'all. I want y'all to know, right? The last time y'all saw me, right? I was sitting in a chair, right? Well, I was laying on the bed, right? You could tell that I had lashes on, right? I literally was just like, let me just see something, like, because they were kind of irritating me. And I think it's because of, whoa, my light just went out. But I think it's because of my glue, the glue, right? And I also am one of my friends, so, you know, I'm a little aggravated, a little annoyed just from all the running around I've been doing. I went to one place initially, and they told me it was going to be like an hour. And I'm like, you know, I just saw you do somebody else, and now you're gonna go do nails and it's gonna be an hour. Yeah, I don't have time for that. So I went to this other spot and they were pretty much using the same glue, so I'm like, it'll be fine. And the other spot, she did it, she applied it. Sir, don't you see I'm trying to record a video here? So I think it was the glue, but I literally just was like, just for fun, let me see if I tug at it a little bit. I didn't even have to tug, it came off so easily, y'all. So low-key, like, I tipped her $2 just for service, you know. I tipped her $2 because I could tell that she was really trying. She's like, and I initially thought they were gonna last for a week. She's like, no, it only lasts for 2 days. But I'm like, whatever, I'm already here, so let me just do it. So it was $10. So low-key, $12 went down the drain. And I know half of the gang is gonna be like, turn around, go get your effing money back. But sis, it's not even that deep. It's not even that deep. And where I am right now, I'm over it. I don't even feel like doing that. So I'm just gonna go continue on with the other things that I need to do, and I guess I'm just gonna be applying lashes the whole trip. It's just convenient to have lashes already on, but it's fine, sis. Hey guys, so I'm back on the cam. I ended up dropping off the last giveaway package to the third giveaway winner. So as you guys can see, I don't have any lashes on, so I'm gonna just bring some of my lashes and wear those because I have lashes. So I guess why pay right now to get them done if no one is available? Why like stress myself out? So I'm not gonna stress myself out. I'm just gonna bring some of my lashes from Caprial NYC and just do that during the trip, just wear those during the trip. So that's that. I didn't show you guys my fat piggies, my fat toes, but I did get white on the toes. This is what the toes are looking like. The sun is setting right now, so it's kind of hard for you guys to see. Because after I did my nails, I ended up going to link with Kendra, and we got quick drinks and a quick bite. So I was gonna make that a whole different vlog, but girl, it didn't even make sense because we were really just catching up. I didn't even really vlog too much, so I just threw that in this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave your girl a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below if you haven't already subscribed. Make sure you turn on your post notifications because when the next video drops, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be a good one. This is gonna be my last video for this week. You guys will not be seeing me this Sunday. You might not even be seeing me on Wednesday. You might be seeing me Friday. It all depends on if I get back from my destination, if I have everything ready to, you know, upload and stuff. So I'll definitely let you guys know on Instagram when I'll be uploading the next video. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at the Stush Life. I also posted a reel showing you guys how my nails look start to finish. Travel content is coming, so I hope you guys are ready because that's going to be dropping next. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We had some troubles today, but we made it work nonetheless. Let me know if you guys like my nails, my toes, my hair. Let me know if you guys have waxed before, if you guys have gotten Brazilian wax before, or you don't have to respond to any of these questions if that's too much information for me to know. It's totally fine. I totally get it. It's kind of personal. But if you want, you could drop that down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys.